Okay, how are we going to do this? Let me think here. Bear with me. If you are watching this in the future, I need a second monitor. And because I don't have a second monitor right now, at least, I need to be able to see the chat. So I'm happy to actually be live though. So we got that going. All right, Oscar, I see you. Hello. Give me a second here. Thoughts on quant? So I've been very active on TikTok, and the reason why I'm saying that is because I made a top 5 series there. And if you don't have a TikTok, you can use what am I thinking here? You can just go to TikTok.com and search World War Bitcoin, and you will see a video, top 5 quant. Quant is my top 5. I'm very bullish on it. I think that quant is going to go to somewhere like $1,000, $1,500. So, and I have a lot of confidence in quant, which makes it in my top 5 because other cryptos can outperform quant, but yeah, I am very bullish on quant. And it's the bullishness and the confidence is what I'm saying here. So, good morning, Creed and Bentley. Still trying to first time live on YouTube since February. And in February, I tried, and I hope that this isn't blocking me, my phone here. I'm going to go live on TikTok too. February, I tried to go live, but what happened? Oh, my laptop just wouldn't support it. So this week, I bought a desktop, and I'm using a desktop right now to go live. And so I need to iron some kinks out, you know. But I just need to see something here real quick. So I know that's can be pretty frustrating. Let me try to fix that lighting. All right, I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't blocking the camera with my phone. So all right back. Yeah, first live I've caught of yours. Oh, ever. Okay, I mean it has been a while, yeah. So let's see. I currently have around 250 tokens. Do you think the price now is good to stack more up? I think quant's in a great position. Let's check it out on the chart here. $86. Do I have any levels drawn with quant? I don't. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, so $86. I would love to. So now here's the thing that I'm looking at here. Let me do a horizontal line. So I mean, here's a potential issue with quant is you know, we have a lot of if we break through that level right there, what is that, 82 or so? I mean, the next level of support would be around the bear market bottom. I mean, if it's a daily close, this is a daily chart. Oh, this is a weekly chart, shoot. Or if it's a weekly close, somewhere around $53. So, you know, this is either the perfect time to load up on quant, or you're going to find a much better buying opportunity soon. I mean, it was hanging around at $100 for a really long time. That was the next level up. But then it fell through that, and now it's hanging around the 80 or so dollar level. So XRP, let's see XRP here. Ignore the fibs. All right, actually the fibs might tell us something here. So again, this is a weekly chart. Bear market bottom is 30 cents, and we are not going to 30 cents. Next level up, I would say right around here, around 42 cents. So do I believe that XRP is going to retest? If it happens, it's going to happen soon. And the reason why is, this is just my opinion. You know what, actually, I'm going to say no. I mean, looking at the stochastic RSI, I mean, we could, it seems unlikely to me. I think this year is going to end with a bit of an uptick in Bitcoin, and then early 2024, just another move, maybe up beyond $31,800, maybe even up to $40,000 before the next Bitcoin halving. Whatever happens after the next Bitcoin halving, I am slightly bullish. I lean more bullish. I think 2024 is going to be a pretty scary year. I think that there will be an official recession. I mean, people are suffering big time right now. We'll see how the wars play itself out. But short term, next 6 months, my assumption is no, that XRP is not going to retest around 42 cents. So, okay, man, glad to be back. I am going to go live on TikTok, and I'm going to prioritize the YouTube live stream. But I do need to set up the TikTok live stream here. So, oh my goodness, this is going to be a pain. Sorry. And if you have any other questions while I'm setting this up, then now's the time. I do want to say I haven't been very active on, oh my goodness, on YouTube lately, but I have been very active on TikTok. I have an incentive, a financial incentive now to be active on TikTok. They're paying, and my videos on TikTok get, you know, at least 10,000 views per video. Whereas YouTube, I'm lucky if I get 100. So you know, if I got 10,000 views on YouTube, I'd get paid a lot more. But you know, 10,000 views on TikTok gets me, like, I don't know, not a ton, but it gets me something to the point where it's motivating. So anyway, the reason why I'm saying all of that is I've made some really, I would say, some top quality content here. And if you haven't seen it, you can go on your computer and see it. So I would especially recommend a video down here, 10 cryptos with terrible tokenomics. I cover some really popular cryptos in that video. And those cryptos are going to underperform, many of them, if not all of them. Some of them, it is a possibility that none of the cryptos I talk about in that video are going to put in a new all-time high. So do I use MACD histogram? Yeah, absolutely. I favor Heikin-Ashi candles along with stochastic as a point for entries. Let's go to a daily chart here. So, oh my goodness, I need to adjust to using a desktop again, because with my laptop, it's a lot easier to just adjust the chart. So desktop, not so much. So that's kind of rough there. But Heikin-Ashi candles, it confirms, it shows more of an uptrend versus regular candles, and I like to focus on that along with stochastic RSI to see, you know, are we bottoming out, are we topping out, and to make daily trades. I will do 4-hour trades. I will do daily trades. I will not do anything lower than that. And I'm not trading a ton right now. I don't have a ton of capital to work with, but the time will come. So, all right. Bear with me while I set up this TikTok live stream. And again, yeah, I will prioritize YouTube. Oh my goodness. No, not love. Live. Don't autocorrect, please. Why do you think algo has bad tokenomics? Can you explain? It's all inflation. You know, I mean, you think about the supply in circulation now versus in when it peaked in 2021, it's highly inflationary. And so Algorand's market cap is going to, I'm sure Algorand's market cap is going to put in a new all-time high, but then the price, I think, is not likely to. So, you know, I mean, each cryptocurrency is like its own economy, and the way that they orchestrate the economies has an effect on, you know, I mean, just like the US dollar. The more you inflate the money supply, the less it's going to be worth. The more you inflate the supply of Algorand, the less it's going to be worth. And Algorand supply, if I remember correctly, has increased 7x in the last 4 years. So Algo's daily chart is disgusting because of their inflation. I love Algorand. I am very bullish on it long term, not short term though. So don't want to look at that one. Let's do the tether chart here. All right. Okay, I'm setting up the live stream on TikTok, and then I have to set up a green screen. So hopefully I can get that. Oh man. Oh, come on. All right. Okay, so good morning to all of you on TikTok. I am live on YouTube right now. Oh, that looks really bad. Okay. I gotta do something about this. What is going on? I'm just gonna remove the green screen. Okay, no more green screen. So, yeah, max 10 billion, but where is, all right, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. Search World War Bitcoin. You can see me there. I am probably not going to be able to answer every question or respond to every comment here on TikTok, but on YouTube I will. So, all right, I am looking up right now Algorand's supply. So, let's see. So max 10 billion, it's currently 7.91 billion. When it peaked in 2021, it peaked in early 2021, is at 2.02 billion. So good morning, everybody. Good morning. Voxy's P2E game listed on Coinbase and Binance. Oh yeah, I still need to set up that chat here. So, you know, I get requests to check out cryptocurrencies all the time. So sure, I'll check it out eventually, I suppose. But be patient with me as always. So. This isn't the prettiest on my YouTube, at least. What's up, R? What's up, Ash? And Easygoer, good morning. Again, I am live on YouTube. So if you want to hop over to YouTube and join the discussion, it will provide a better viewing experience. So it could be the next Axie Infinity. I'm pretty sure once you look into it, you will buy. Okay. Yeah, that one Ajax Schiller is fudding fetch. You know what? It seems like he knows more than I do. I will say that. So it seems like he has done more research than I have. But yeah. Smiles, hello, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. It's oh, okay. Uh, yeah, you pissed me off. I remember. It took me a second. It's like, is that a cryptocurrency? UPIZ? But nope, not a cryptocurrency. Oh my goodness. I am having some issues here. Nope, that's not going to work. All right, I'm just going to remove the TikTok chat from YouTube. Sorry for those of you on YouTube. But again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube and I am prioritizing. Nope, don't want to do that. I am prioritizing the YouTube chat. So if you hop on over to YouTube, it'd be a better viewing experience. So hello, Alex. What is the potential of High Street, new all-time high next bull run? I made a video, rapid fire crypto reviews for questions, frequently asked questions that I get on my TikTok live streams, and I talked about High Street. I don't quite remember what I said, so check it out and let me know. Looking to fetch AI, Akash, if the price is right. What are your thoughts on them? I mean, I like Fetch AI. I really do. Akash, I don't know enough. So I'm very bullish on AI. Still like Shiba at these levels. So Shiba, yeah, it's near its bear market bottom. Pretty much right there. So yeah. You think Bitcoin will drop to 20K? Not short term or medium term. I don't think so. Bitcoin is at a certain, it's been holding very well at the, 24.8. Well, we've been in a range for Bitcoin for the past like 9 months. And we have not gotten out of this range to the bottom or to the top. Bottom being 24.8, the top being what, 31.8. So until we get out of the range, I'm not expecting any, I'm not really thinking that Bitcoin's going to go to 20K, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up. So oh my goodness, this live stream looks terrible on TikTok. I'm sorry. I'm trying to, I've done this before. I'm trying to go live on YouTube and on TikTok, and I haven't had problems in the past, but now I'm having problems. So it's too early. That's how I feel, yeah. All right, you know what? I am going to abandon the TikTok live stream. I'm sorry for those of you on TikTok. It's just weird. It looks so weird. I need another monitor on my YouTube channel, or on my computer. Another monitor on my YouTube. I need another monitor on my computer. And when that time comes, then I'll be able to go live on TikTok and on YouTube at the same time. But right now, not working. So yeah, fight to be free. I am on YouTube right now. Search World War Bitcoin on YouTube. So, and join the live stream there. Those of you on TikTok, I'm still live on YouTube. All right. See ya. Well, that didn't work. I'll figure it out. Whoa, sorry about that. I need another monitor. So, all right, now that I'm just on YouTube, I can get rid of the chat so I can pull it up on my phone. as soon as the ads are done playing, I suppose. All right, can you please show how you do the tokenomics in the website where you do it? Yep. So, Masari.io. It's right here. Masari.io. And, you know, there's certain things that I will one day pay for, but I'm not going to pay $75 a month right now. But there's, you know, outstanding supply, total issuance, 10-year active supply, 5-year active. There's a lot of, but there's plenty of data available on this website that it just, I don't really feel like I'm missing much by not having access to that information. But, you know, Masari.io, think messy, but then add an R in there. And we have the 1-year chart for, this is for Algorand. I'm still on Algorand, right? Yeah, Algorand. So you can see. So when did Algorand peak? Let me go to snapshot here. Algorand peaked on June 21st, 2019. Oh, that was its launch date price. Never mind. That's not its actual all-time high. Let's see. I was like, June 21st, 2019. This is what I consider its real peak here. What is that? $2.38 on September 6th of 2021. So I thought it peaked earlier than that. I thought it peaked in February or something. But okay, that does affect things. But it's still, like, they peaked in the middle of this right here. And that's why they didn't go any higher. That's the 1-year chart, all time. Look at that. They peaked right here as Algorand was like having this massive increase in their supply. That's when they peaked. So all of that is, most of that is still like being held by people because they didn't take, you know, that would have been too quick for a lot of those people to take profits. So still got to deal with that. Still got to deal with all of that with Algorand. And looking at the chart, I mean, this is the reason right here why Algorand's chart looks terrible. So we can see Algo here. Let me get rid of that volume profile there. So, I mean, it's just, you know, think about this. I mean, Algorand on January 1st was at 17 cents. Oh my goodness. Yeah. All right. 17 cents. It had a nice January, just like everyone else, every other crypto, went up to about 30 cents. And then, man, just even worse in the bear market. That is all because of how inflationary Algorand is. It's not dead. It's just super inflationary. And so with Algorand, it's at 9 cents, all-time high, not including the launch day price, was at almost $3. So if I were to draw a fib here, which I will, I mean, we're seeing Algorand. This isn't going to be perfect, but it's at 9.52. Let's just say that that's it. I mean, just to get to this fib right here, that would be that's a 236 retrace. That would be an 8x, almost an 8x. So can it do an 8x from today's prices? Yeah, sure. But if I were buying Algorand with the hopes of Algorand putting a new all-time high, I would get, I'm just saying, you'd get very disappointed, I think. So, so I would be taking probably half of my profits by the 236 retracement, which 8x, you know, I will take for sure in 8x. So there's other ones that I'd be happy to look at right now, like Near. Near is another one that, oh my goodness, I did lots of volume profiles here. Near's another one that, man, look at that. You know, I drew these charts in January, these lines. Cycle low. You know, I gave this the name cycle low. And then Near, the reason why near is now lower than it was in December of 2022 is because of how inflationary its supply is. So with these cryptocurrencies, yeah, there is a lot of money to be made, but people, like I said, people are going to be buying this, expecting it to put in a new all-time high, and it's not going to. I have a lot of confidence that Near is not going to put anywhere near an all-time high, no pun intended. So Near peaked in early 2022. So about 50% more supply right now. That's not good. And, you know, by the time we get to the actual bull run, it's going to be what? You know, more like double the supply in circulation. And then even, where was it? November 30th of 2020, it was 200 million. So we're near a 5x in Near supply in the last 4 years. It's ridiculous. So I'm not shocked at all to see Near all the way down here at $1, much lower than where it was. This is insane. Well, all right. You know, most cryptocurrencies are higher. They have a higher price right now than where they were in January of 2021, January 1st of 2023, January 1st, 2023. And so had a nice rally, just like all other cryptos, did a 3x in about a month and a half. And then it's just been downhill ever since then. So Near, same deal. How far down is Near from its all-time high? Near is down 95% from its all-time high. So it would have to do a 20x to get back to its all-time high, but it's the same deal. I would be taking profits at a 236. I know that this level's really noisy here. I mean, there's a lot of confluence there anyway, but I'd be taking lots of profits at a 236. That's $5.50, 5.5, 5.5x from today's prices. I would be taking half of my profits out, half of my investment out, excuse me. So I would be ecstatic if this got up to a 702 retracement, $14.74. There's just way too many layer ones in existence right now. So what other ones here? Now, internet computer is very highly inflationary. And, but the appealing thing with internet computer, in my opinion, is that their supply is almost fully vested. So this chart is just disgusting. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I want to. I wouldn't even draw fibs on this because its launch day price was its all-time high, and we're not going back to anywhere near that. So I don't know what even to say about where to drop fibs. Maybe there, $86. That does seem reasonable. Maybe that's the place to draw fibs. I wouldn't draw fibs from its all-time high and then hope for a 236 retrace. So let's see what fibs look like here. I mean, you know, at the same time, internet computer, it could go to $100. It's just now, you know, that's a dangerous game to play, waiting for it to get all the way back up there. So I don't think internet computer is going to go that much lower because, again, supply, because of the fact that its supply is almost fully vested, fully diluted. Yeah. Huge vesting release in April of this year. Almost 150 million tokens. That's ridiculous. But now it's pretty much maxed out. So 446 million right now. Where was it when it launched? Which was also its peak. It's 124 million, almost 4x, 3.5x. So This one's a good one. A good one for, looking forward, not much inflation in the supply. So could do a pretty good retrace. But let's see. I have a lot of cryptos here. I want to check out the DXY real quick. Oh boy. Oh man. I hear a lot of people saying that this was the peak for the DXY. And I'm like, man, I hope so. But you never know. Hanging below the 236 for Ajax. Way oversold. Well, I need to get to work on things to make this a more pleasant experience so that we don't have those hang-ups with TikTok. It could be more lively experience with more people in the chat talking and with responding to more questions. So I will get to work on that. And otherwise, I'm just going to churn out some videos here. A couple on TikTok. Or maybe one on TikTok, one on YouTube. We'll see. So I have a friend on TikTok who is convinced that Ajax is going to do a 400x. That's why I'm looking at it right now. And it did a new all-time high in 2023. That is impressive. It does have 40% more supply in circulation now than it did in 2021 at its first peak. So can it happen? I mean, I'm not calling for a 400x, but I am intrigued that he's so bullish on it. Yeah, 62 cents. That was quite a rapid wick right there, because it doesn't even show that on the daily close. It doesn't show anywhere near that on the daily close. But all right. Thank you all 10 of you for joining today. I am going to end the live stream now. Hopefully we'll work some kinks out and things will be looking better moving forward. So have a good one. Oh, shoot. Guys, I am sorry. I'm seeing now that other people were asking questions. And all right, those are more kinks for me to work out. So I apologize about that. I am still going to stop the stream. But again, I'll get a second monitor set up and we'll take a look at that next time. Oh my goodness, ridiculous. Sorry about that, everybody.